question is National Examination Council question, NECO 2023 exam for JS3. That is what we want to check today. That's all we want to check today. So this is what we want to solve. You read the instruction. After reading the front page instruction, you go to the question, the technical drawing. The instruction says, answer all questions, use all the necessary drawing instruments and materials, all dimensions are in millimeters, credit will be awarded for good draughtsmanship, show all the construction lines. Question 1 says, draw on the sheet provided the borderline and title block with the following informations. 1. Name. I've drew the title block as we were taught in the previous episode. I've drew the title block. The question says, include your name. This name. School. This school. Examination number. Examination number. Scale used. Scale used. Date. Date. So I will fill in appropriately my name, then I fill my school, my exam number, my scale, and I fill the date. Second question says, use the following steps to construct a triangle. Step 1. Draw line AB equals 70 millimeters. That's what I will first draw. I first draw any line. Then I locate my starting point, which is A. That's my starting point. So I will now measure from the intersection of this starting point. I'll measure 70 millimeters, which is also equals to 7 centimeters. So far my ruler is in centimeter. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 70 millimeters. So I will point my end point here, which is B. This is A, this is B. I write what I have measured, which is 70 millimeters. That is what I measured. Step 2 says, construct angle 60 degrees at A. Now, this is A, this is B. I will now come here. The point A, that's where my 60 degree will be. I pick my compass. I stretch any radius of my choice. Place it on A. You can see that my compass is staying at the intersection point here. Then I will draw arc. Now, with the same radius that I'm using to draw this arc, I will place my compass also at the intersection of the arc and the line, because the degree should be inside, not outside. It is internal angle. So I cut the previous semicircle with another arc, my compass. So this point has indicated my 60 degree. Then from the intersection of A and the intersection of this arc, I will draw a line up. I make sure it joins at the intersection. I draw a line up. The space in between line AB and the line I draw at the intersection of the arc is the 60 degree. I write it there, 60 degree. For me to confirm whether this is 60 degree or not, I will have to place my semicircle on the point to check whether it is correct or not. And by this protractor, you can see that the starting point, the line is on 0 here, and the degree is on 60 degree. This line is on 60 degree. So I have measured the second step, which is 60 degree. At A, I should not take it to B because the question says at A. Now I say draw line AC equals 80 millimeters at 60 degree to line AB. So on this line will be my AC. I will now measure from the intersection point A here. I will measure 80 up, which is 8 centimeter. So I will measure 80 millimeter. I have to draw this line up very well so that there will be excess line to show my work is very neat. So from this point here to this point, this is 80 millimeter. I will mark it with my ruler. Or another thing I can do is I can stretch out my compass from 0 and measure 80 millimeter. From 0, I can measure 80 millimeter. This is 80 millimeter with my compass from 0 to 8. I will now place it at the intersection here on A, align 60 degrees, then I cut it. You can see that it is the same thing. So that's 80 millimeter. Then I will call this place C, where the question says draw line AC. So this will be AC. 80 millimeter, I will write it. 80 millimeter at 60 degrees to line AB. Now the other question says draw line CB. Now I will now join. I'll make sure I join from the intersection of B and intersection of C. That will be the CB. Join CB. I've joined CB like that. The question says, the step 5, measure CB. So I will have to measure, what do I get from CB? So by my ruler here, this is 7.5 centimeter, which is equal to, I will just say line CB is equal to 75 millimeter. So that is the answer to the question. NECO, National Examination Council 2023 Basic Education Certificate. And that is the answer to the technical drawing. I hope you have enjoyed it. Try and subscribe, share with your friends. Don't retain the wisdom, let others enjoy. Thank you.